returning viewers, to my new viewers, I am Jaleel, your motivational speaker, your spiritual advisor, here to help us all ascend, here to help us all grow and elevate to our highest and best selves, here to send love, positivity, prosperity, wisdom, and abundance your way each step of the time, each step of the way throughout this journey. Now, as usual, we will do a unique meditation, not too long, not too short, but something that gets us on the same mind, on the same frequency. So, enough with the talking. Let's get right into it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, on to today's topic. Today's topic will be how to make your assets work for you. Okay, now, in this society, we have a narrative that we have to chase the money and we have to chase our dreams, and really, all actuality, you gotta let it attract, you gotta let it come to you. You gotta let it come to you. You're not supposed to chase nothing. Hell no. You're not supposed to chase nothing, because when you chasing something, you giving it off, you giving, or you sending off the energy that you in lack. And you're not supposed to send off the energy, you're not supposed to send that type of energy off, that you in lack of money, that you in a lack of abundance or prosperity. You're not supposed to send that type of energy off, because the universe, what it will do, it will feed off that energy, and you will really put yourself in a state where you will really be in lack. So you have to put yourself in a state where you start attracting things more. You start attracting, and that comes with bettering yourself. When you better yourself, when you have self-love for yourself, when you start to really, value who you are as a person, as a soul, then you will realize everything that you want will come gradually towards you. Even without effort, you can be chilling, or you can just be doing you and living your life, and out of nowhere, opportunity lands right there. So a lot of things that happen, a lot of unexpected things that can happen. But one thing that we should not do, and we have to stop doing, is working for our assets, working for money. No, you're not working for money. You're working for that freedom. Money's a tool. Remember that. You're working for the freedom, and the money's the tool. The money is the asset. The money is going to get you the house. It's going to get you the car. It's going to get you all different things that you want and all your desires. But really, the wealth, our wealth starts within the mind. You see all these wealthy people, they didn't get that way. They didn't fit into that lifestyle without transitioning their mindset in order to get into that lifestyle. You have to transition your mindset into a way where you just like, I already got this. You're not in lack. You have to have a mindset where you just completely not in lack. Like, you're not in lack of money. Like, the money's coming towards you. You're not in lack in health. Your health is good. You're doing good in life. You big stepping in life, basically. And like I said, you're not supposed to work for your assets. You're supposed to have your assets work for you. Have your assets come to you. Have the money come to you. Have a passion. Find a passion, and let that generate money. And then from that, you add assets on. So you invest in yourself. You invest in yourself in the passion that you have, and you let it grow and expand your empire and brighten your future. Okay, so I have 3 tips for us on what to do to help your assets come to you instead of working for it. Now, first tip is to make a vision board. Make a vision board right on how you want to do things. Make a vision board on the time frame, and really sit there and work towards it. Work towards getting work towards opening the door for those assets to come to you. So do the little small things that will lead to big steps, and that will lead to that opportunity opening up. Okay, so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to be completely honest with yourself. Be so genuine show genuine energy, show genuine love, everything genuine to yourself. Why I say this? I say this because when you genuine, the universe will feel that. So what the universe gonna do? Whatever you working on, right? The universe is gonna help you, right? The universe is gonna make sure they put certain things in your way, and because they see that you going on the next path, you on the next phase, so they'll put certain things in your way, right? And they know you're able to go past them. So what they do, they'll put a little setback right there, and then you come and then you accomplish or you get back from that setback, right? And then you do more. After that setback, you grow more, right? So that's tip number 2. Tip number 3 is to not only stick yourself with one thing, right? Stick yourself with multiple things. Do multiple things, because when you do multiple things, that means you did the higher the chances that each of those things will bring in abundance. If you only stick in one thing, that one thing may not work out, and then you left with completely nothing. So you gotta venture, and you gotta start doing different things. You can have the same goal, but make sure that you're doing different things around that goal. So, like I said, you can attract abundance and attract a new life, coming towards you. So, those are 3 tips on how to have your assets work for you instead of working for it. Now, before I end the video off, I always have a little saying that I do something from me. And that saying is to, like I said, never work for money, work for the free. Money is the tool. Money, yes, it is basically the centerpiece of getting certain things you want. I ain't gonna say certain, getting most things you want. But really, if money wasn't as strong of a tool, what would you be doing right now? What would you be working for if money wasn't the objective, right? So, like I said, build a passion, create a passion, and find your passion, and have that generate abundance in your life and generate income and wealth and all that and above, okay? I love y'all. I thank y'all for the support and feedback. I thank y'all for all the commenting, for all the positive messages I get, because that lets me know that I'm doing my job, and that lets me know that y'all listening, and that y'all really, understand what I'm saying, understand where I'm coming from. I love helping y'all. I love giving y'all motivation. I love giving y'all inspiration for the day. I'm Jaleel, your motivational speaker, signing out. Until next video. Peace.